Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make 4 pictures the same size in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first go to the home menu, select the new slide drop down menu and create a blank slide. Then go to the insert menu and choose the picture, then click this device. Now I am select multiple picture from our file. At first select a picture, then press Ctrl and select multiple images. Then click insert and wait some moment to inserting the image. Then select all picture, drag on our mouse and resize this all picture. Press and hold shift on our keyboard and resize this all picture at once. Then move in the page, then move in side by side. Now we can see we make 4 pictures same size. Otherwise you can add another process. Applying another process, select the picture and go to the picture format menu and select the size and position option. Then check mark of the lock aspect ratio and change the height and width of the picture. Now I am make height 3 and the width is 2. Then make the same height and width another picture. Now we can see we make 4 pictures same size very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.